At a United Nations event on Tuesday, rapper Nicki Minaj delivered an emotional, urgent appeal, warning world leaders about the escalating violence against Christians in Nigeria, calling it an honor to spotlight the crisis. She thanked Ambassador Watts and US President Donald Trump for prioritizing global religious freedom. Minaj condemned the rising attack in Nigeria, noting churches burned, families displaced, and communities living in constant fear simply for practicing their faith. Speaking passionately as a proud New Yorker, she emphasized that differences in belief must never justify violence, insisting that protesting Nigerian Christian is about uniting humanity and not dividing it. She linked the crisis to a global rise in religious persecution and urged immediate international cooperation. Mina praises peace builders and faith leaders who refuse to ignore the growing intolerance and reaffirm their lifelong commitment to defending the persecution community worldwide. I am Olakuli Fadero reporting for Us Nigeria.